Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore Sydney, Australia? Picture this. The wheels of your plane touch down on the tarmac of Sydney Airport. A world of adventure awaits. The hum of the bustling city seeps in as you disembark. The air is fresh, filled with a hint of salt from the nearby sea, and the anticipation is palpable, coursing through your veins. From the moment you step off the plane, the warm Australian sun gently kisses your skin. A pleasant welcome to this vibrant city. You are greeted by friendly locals, their smiles as bright as the sunshine, their accents a delightful melody to your ears. The atmosphere is an interesting mix of laid back and buzzing with life, a testament to the city's unique charm. As you navigate through the airport, each step brings you closer to the heart of Sydney. The city is calling, the adventure is about to unfold. As we exit the airport, the adventure in Sydney begins. Our first stop is none other than Sydney's most iconic landmark, the Sydney Opera House. A masterpiece of late 20th century architecture, the Sydney Opera House has been the crown jewel of the city since its inauguration in 1973. Designed by Danish architect Jørn Utzon, this magnificent structure is a fusion of art, culture, and technology, a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. The building's unique and innovative design was inspired by nature, mimicking the sails of a ship. Its iconic shell-like roofs, covered with over 1 million self-cleaning tiles, reflect the sunlight, creating a shimmering effect that is nothing short of breathtaking. But the beauty of the Sydney Opera House is not just skin deep. Inside, it houses multiple performance venues, including the Concert Hall and the Joan Sutherland Theatre, named after the world-renowned Australian soprano. The acoustics within these halls are legendary, providing an unrivaled experience for both the performers and the audience. Beyond the architectural marvel and the cultural performances, the Opera House offers a spectacular panorama of the harbour and the city skyline. From here, the view of the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the Royal Botanic Garden, and the sparkling blue waters of the harbour is truly a sight to behold. But the Sydney Opera House is more than just a pretty view. It's a symbol of Australia's rich cultural heritage. It's a place where the world's finest artists come to perform, where millions of visitors come to marvel, and where countless memories are made. Every year, over 8 million people visit the Sydney Opera House, making it one of the most visited sites in Australia. Whether you're a fan of opera, ballet, symphony, or just a lover of beautiful architecture, the Sydney Opera House has something to offer. And as the sun sets, its silhouette against the vibrant hues of the evening sky is nothing short of a visual symphony, a testament to the enduring charm and allure of this iconic structure. The Sydney Opera House, a symbol of Australia's rich cultural heritage, never fails to leave an indelible mark on its visitors. Just a stone's throw away from the Opera House, we find ourselves at the foot of the majestic Sydney Harbour Bridge. This colossal steel structure spanning the sparkling waters of Sydney Harbour is a testament to human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of Australia. Our story begins in the early 20th century when Sydney was a rapidly growing city in need of a solution to its burgeoning traffic problems. The answer? The largest steel arch bridge in the world, a marvel of engineering that would connect Sydney's north and south. Construction began in the mid-1920s, and over 8 years later the bridge was complete, standing tall and proud as a symbol of Sydney's progress and ambition. But the Sydney Harbour Bridge is not just a means of getting from point A to point B. It's an experience, an adventure, a journey. For those with a head for heights and a thirst for thrill, the bridge climb offers the opportunity to scale the arches of the bridge and stand at the pinnacle of this magnificent structure. Strapped securely in a harness and guided by experienced climbers, brave souls ascend to the top, where they are rewarded with an unrivaled panoramic view of Sydney's skyline, the azure harbour, and the iconic Opera House. From the top of the bridge, the city unfurls below you in a breathtaking vista of steel and glass, water and sky. The bustling circular quay, the verdant Royal Botanic Gardens, the distant outlines of the Blue Mountains, all of Sydney is laid out before you, a vibrant tableau of life in Australia's largest city. And as the sun dips below the horizon, the city lights begin to twinkle. The stars shimmer in the indigo sky, and the bridge itself is bathed in a soft, warm glow. It's a sight to behold, a moment to treasure, a memory to cherish. Whether you're standing on it, climbing it, or simply admiring it from afar, the Sydney Harbour Bridge is an experience not to be missed. So, come and stand in the shadow of this giant, feel the hum of life beneath your feet, and see Sydney as you've never seen it before. Next, we head over to the world-famous Bondi Beach, a place where the sun kisses the sea. Bondi Beach is the epitome of Australia's vibrant beach culture. It's not just a beach, but a lifestyle, a spirit, a tropical paradise in the heart of a bustling city. With its golden sands stretching over a kilometer, it provides a perfect canvas for sunbathing, building sandcastles, or simply lazing around. But if you think Bondi is all about lazing under the sun, think again. The beach is a playground for both the active and the adventurous. Surfing is a way of life here. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete novice, there's a wave for everyone. And if you've never surfed before, don't worry. There are plenty of surf schools offering lessons for all ages and abilities. Not a fan of surfing? No problem. Volleyball nets are scattered along the beach, inviting anyone to join in a game. So why not team up and serve some beach volleyball? It's not only fun, but also a great way to meet locals and fellow travelers. Bondi Beach is also the starting point of one of Sydney's most scenic coastal walks. The Bondi to Coogee walk takes you along cliff tops, through parks, and past some of the city's most stunning beaches. And let's not forget the famous Bondi Icebergs pool. Perched on the edge of the beach, this saltwater pool offers a unique swimming experience with the Pacific Ocean as your backdrop. It's no wonder it's one of the most Instagrammed spots in Sydney. As the sun sets, Bondi doesn't sleep. The beachfront buzzes with activity. Alfresco dining, beachside markets, live music, and vibrant nightclubs. Bondi has it all. It's a place where the day seamlessly blends into the night and the beach becomes a stage for Sydney's dynamic nightlife. With its golden sands, turquoise waters, and lively atmosphere, Bondi Beach embodies the laid-back Aussie lifestyle. Our final stop is the Taronga Zoo, home to over 4,000 animals from 350 species. Imagine standing face-to-face with a kangaroo or watching a playful platypus swim. Picture yourself observing the intricate patterns on a python, or hearing the distinct laugh of a kookaburra. At Taronga Zoo, these experiences aren't just figments of your imagination, they're reality. This is the place where Australian wildlife comes to life, where you can have an intimate encounter with the country's unique fauna. And it's not just about the animals. Taronga Zoo is perched on the edge of the world-renowned Sydney Harbour, offering breathtaking views of the city's skyline. As you wander from exhibit to exhibit, you'll be treated to a visual feast of natural and urban beauty that's truly unparalleled. It's an environment that adds an extra layer of magic to the already enchanting experience of being so close to Australia's wildlife. But Taronga Zoo isn't just a tourist attraction. It's a conservation hub, a place that's dedicated to preserving and protecting wildlife. The zoo is deeply involved in conservation efforts, from breeding programs for endangered species to education initiatives that aim to inspire the next generation of wildlife warriors. Every visit to Taronga Zoo is a step towards a brighter future for our planet's wildlife. The zoo is also home to a variety of animals from around the world. You can marvel at the majesty of African elephants, be captivated by the agility of Asian snow leopards, and be charmed by the playful antics of South American capybaras. It's like taking a wildlife tour around the globe, all without leaving Sydney. From cuddly koalas to towering giraffes, the Taronga Zoo offers a wild and wonderful end to our Sydney adventure. As the sun sets over Sydney, it's time to bid farewell to this vibrant city. Our journey here has been nothing short of extraordinary, filled with unforgettable moments and breathtaking sights. We've marveled at architectural wonders such as the Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge, each with its own unique story to tell. We've soaked up the sun on the golden sands of Bondi Beach, a haven for surfers and sunbathers alike. We've also been fortunate enough to witness the diverse wildlife at Taronga Zoo, a testament to Australia's rich biodiversity. Sydney, a city where urban charm meets natural beauty, never fails to captivate. Here, skyscrapers stand tall against the backdrop of the azure ocean and lush greenery, creating a picturesque scene that's hard to forget. Sydney, with its iconic landmarks, stunning beaches, and friendly locals, truly leaves a lasting impression. Until next time, Sydney,